Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound on or any related speaker issues on Black Shark Pad 7. So first of all, let's check our sound regulating with the volume buttons. Make sure to set your sound level to the maximum. Also check whether you are adjusting the proper volume by tapping the three-dot icon underneath your volume level and adjusting the volume for the selected media type. So make sure, for example, that you are selecting the media sound and not the call volume, unless you want to increase the call volume. Then tap done, and if you still can hear no sound, then swipe down the control center, disable Bluetooth by tapping the Bluetooth icon and switching off Bluetooth usage. This way we'll make sure that the sound doesn't get redirected to our Bluetooth connected devices. Now if you're still having speaker issues, try simply restarting your tablet by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. And if you're still having the same issue after the restart, check whether you have a do not disturb mode enabled, because if you do, this might be affecting the way that you hear sounds on your tablet, so turn it off. Then also we want to check our device's settings, so let's swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon right here. Now let's start with the sound and vibration settings. Okay, make sure that we don't have anything that would disable the sound in here. I don't see anything, no sound enhancements, nothing like this, and the levelers look alright. So now let's go down to system. Let's make sure that our tablet is updated to the latest version. Go to system update in here, check for update, and if you have an update, download and install it. If you don't have an update but still hear no sound, try as a last resort, you can always perform a factory reset operation after backing up your data. In the backup menu, you can simply go to reset options, select erase all data, and delete all data from your device. But before we do that, let's also check whether we can hear sounds in the safe mode. To enter the safe mode, open the power menu by pressing power button and volume up key. Hold your finger down on the power off option. Tap OK and OK once you see the message about entering the safe mode, and wait until your device is restarted. Okay, now that we are in the safe mode, try playing some offline media you have saved on your device, and in case you can still hear no sound, then try performing a factory reset operation, and if the factory reset operation isn't gonna help you, then reach out to Xiaomi customer support service or just get your tablet repaired at a certified service center. Now, if you do hear your sounds now, then check your applications in settings. Find some third-party apps that could have caused this issue in all apps menu, and delete the apps that you suspect of redirecting your sounds to them, or basically, I don't know, manipulating your device's interface. Simply delete these applications, the suspicious apps in here, and then restart your tablet normally by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Selecting restart and going back to the normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.